Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fred tutorial video. My name is Josh and today I'm going to show you how to create a hexagonal array using Fred's embedded script. So to access the script, what we're going to do is open the embedded scripts folder and double click on the embedded script. And here I'll give a quick description. So we're defining our hexagon radius to be 74.5 millimeters. We're then defining our radius to be 2000, which is going to be later used for our radius of curvature. We then take the spacing between our hexagons to be 130 millimeters, our z position 0, and the RHO factor is going to be our aperture boundary of 400. After that, we create the 6 points to make up our hexagons, and then we add a subassembly to house each of the custom elements. After we've done that, we create our custom element, which is going to house our curves, and then we create a segmented curve using the previously defined 6 points. After we've done that, we're going to shift each of the hexagons into their position on the array, and then we're going to convert the segmented curves into aperture curves. After we've done that, we're going to create our trimming aperture. Here, as I said above, we define our radius of curvature to be 1 over the radius, which is 2000. Here's where we set our hexagons to trim that aperture. And what we do after that is we reset the tessellation of each hexagon so that it looks smooth in the 3D view. And then we set the curves to be traceable so that we don't see the curves alongside each of the hexagonal array elements. So to run the script, we're going to come up to the top left and select Run. And moving into the 3D view, we can see each of our hexagons being populated as the script runs. And once it's complete, you can see here that we have successfully created a hexagonal array.
And there you go. As always, CBS is here to help support all Fred users, and keep an eye out for more helpful content just like this.